Unenchire yamo yo kwena na magirio na boigo kurwani uburairu bwa kansa igabanyagitari nene ye county ya Kisii haubare no bumanyi bw'uburairu bwo batwara hage ikaro hase University ya Kisii aso batwa gwakukwanira hobosemia na boigo kurwa hobosemi gucha saba nenchi igoro yo burairu bwo wene ne chinchira chinde na boigo kurwali endwali ye mauli kitodiponi asanya arobotura senchira yo boikira.
Oburwaire bwa kansa imeyense ya Kenya nigo bwabeire ekiranya kenene asa matuka yaiga. Serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii bakubwaterana na University ya Kisii n'ababwatani bande ao nigo baumirana asugusanga emiroberio yokurwania nabo igokurwaria oburwaire boiga.
My name is Professor Frederick Wanyama. I'm Deputy Vice Chancellor in charge of academic research and student affairs at Kisii University. And we are here this morning to talk about a seminar on cancer that we held in this university recently, about 2 days ago. Kisii University is establishing a niche in the area of cancer research and management. And we are partnering with the county government.
Dr. Bahati ngati y'abanyagitari bari no bumanyi obonene igoro y'uburwaire boiga bwa kansa obwo atebirenga nigo okogweni gwa kwaye kore kwirigori rinene.
Actually access to cancer treatment. Yes, we know that we have made progress in terms of diagnostics. Now we have patients getting biopsies and imaging being done in the county. But as it is now, advanced tests such as immunohistochemistry have to be sought outside the county. This is an important test to help us as oncologists to know what type of treatment to be able to give patients, because we know treatment of cancer now has advanced to actually offer targeted how to improve the experience of cancer patients. As treatment is increasing, we're also getting many patients surviving from cancer. And we need to then make the experience better so that we reduce stigma in the societies wherever they come from.
Kurwase byombe ao byabanyagitari nigo bateba ilio gusanga obumanyi na boigo konyora amaigilio igoro y'uburwaire boiga.
We are currently engaging various stakeholders and organizing seminars, workshops and meetings to discuss the same. And so recently we had here a seminar on cancer prevention, research and management, which we had the pleasure of hosting many experts in the field.
Oncology can be offered outside the mainstream level 6 TRH or Nairobi, so it can also be treated out here, and we know there's a huge cancer center coming up which should be opened by the end of this year. So this is a very welcome move. It came at the right time.
Yokonyora obogwenia asobwange nigo bagokiri gitambukiro yokwaga Jowe Cancer Center imeye county ya Kisii unenchire yamo yogochia kororobia na koreta obokorori oboiga ange.
Affordability of treatment such as chemotherapy and radiotherapy. SHA has really impacted the access to treatment by increasing the amount allocated for chemotherapy. Yes, this has changed how cancer is treated, but still patients have to reach out of pocket to access treatment.
Sometimes we have patients who are not able to afford treatment for whatever reason. Sometimes they're not even able to access care in other parts of the country.
Ripoti hili kitaseni kia getembe kuroiga se University ya Kisii ili ni gonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Bia muno mulikito Dipon Asanya ha soroboti uru. Omo administrator w'ikiama kia UDA sorongoro wa gusiasili takale bundieki. Itiko liarero niga kwanera chinkumi chigendete ime ya gusibune kiama kia UDA. Tikirigo chia ko ruwa mabaka y'abantu kuranira hebirogo byonsi asengencho yobwamo bwa serikali ya Broad Based. Egani gatebune kiama ekyo kia UDA. Igo kera chia kubeka boroniriri hase birogo byonsi ime ya gusi kurwa somo gavana wikase abo MCA na kobori bali bakoriga ebirogo kweroberi elikwelikia.
Caleb Ondieki nche no mu administrator we kiama kia UDA gagusi rero igona acha nkwane na abagusi ba minto abana chama bane ba UDA elinde mbate ya mangana abera atatu sababu abange babo banga approachiri bankwaneire bakomboli ngambate to koboli ebirogo awo kuru kiama gitu kia UDA kuru bu MCA kuru MCA obo jumbe obo governor obo senator lakini ndende banyore concerning UDA inga yamuire nga bono broad based tobate korugusi ntoko beka abantu bande birogo tokore zoning ntagete kobatebiga nga as a party ntora ikase togo kwanira nga ntagete nga bono nturiko beka monto kerogo kende gionse yakoero mwaka 2022 etuarenga opposition lakini gusiga igago Kisi County we were able kobeka abantu bonse pie birogo kuru bu MCA obo governor na gochigoro so ntaite kobatebia nga abantu ba minto bali bokoriga ebirogo ao korwa ase kiama gitu kia UDA tintageti mutware bonde bwensi yakogera as a party intotagete toire ebirogo ebinge gekogera ntu single majority party ebwate ebirogo ebinge gusiga byo bojumbe so ntoka comment ebirogo ebiro korwa ase ebirogo bine mbake ebirogo binde gochigore ebinge korwa abu ntotagete konyoro mugabana o UDA ase county ya Kisii ntotagete konyoro mo senator kurwa sikiama kia UDA se county ya Kisii na abanda abange including women rep wanonko basabanga enga kiyeiga inwe bange join ekiama ligie birogo motagete korigia so that nechigo ikenga kinga toigwane kwanyora nga tokoigwana tora strong party tali tokoigwana tabwati bantu bakorigia ebirogo ense yeiga ebyama binde byonsi emu yae no korigia oborai so ekiama gitu kia UDA igonkoeni kare jinga ntora ikera ase togoteba nga bono ntoriko beka kerogo ase montogete ntoriko beka chama itoriko beka kerogo geita ase obogavana ase obo senator so far etotaite kiama gitu kebe strong because gusiga iga UDA nere more popular than ebyama binde so egegoteba kana nga kiama gitu ngekobeka monta ase gete eyunte teko batebing obuno bokora nande ntora ikera iga as a party so we are planning to have ebiongozi koru chinsamo chonse pichia gusi bakoboli birogo bya UDA gochakeranse gochigoro so nko batebinga genderera inu nchua so bonge toisaranse torosie party yaito elinde toiro borai bwa gusiga iga.
Mujumbe webunge ya West Mugirango Muske Steven Mugaka ni garuro kubolia gochia somo nyakergo we komiti eliyeteneta mangana yogolende waime Committee of Administration and Internal Security aso kubwatokoro botigoro yebima yobugweni yabo bisa bechichera ukona samagachu yebunge nene umubasolero Muske Mugaka igateruna no nyabo bisa bo bagendete okole mirimo yabo aso kwerwa nigo bagendete okole mirimo yo asa mazingira aramabe.
To make a request for a statement regarding provision of comprehensive medical insurance cover for retired prison officers. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order number 44-2C, I rise to request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security regarding the provision of comprehensive medical insurance cover for retired prison officers. Honorable Speaker, prison officers dedicate their productive years to service and to protect the nation under demanding and often high-risk conditions. These services significantly contributes to the maintenance of law and order, rehabilitation of offenders, and the overall scrutiny of our overall security of our country. Despite their invaluable contribution, many retired prison officers face immense challenges in accessing affordable and quality health care upon retirement. Currently, Mr. Speaker, retired prison officers are excluded from comprehensive medical insurance scheme. As a result, many of them, together with their dependents, struggle to access essential healthcare services, thereby exposing them to financial hardship and compromising their dignity as well as well-being. This situation, Mr. Speaker, is concerning given the nature of prison service.
Abasani go basegeture kwibwatirani n'ekikosi kya maboko bunenjere ya moyo kwenye rubumanyi elikwagendereria aniga gocha chinga kyabasaya aho bagendete kwibwatani ase kiskuru cyo Burundi ime ye county ya Nyamiro muroberi ogosirwa ne serikali yo kubwatirana nebengi ya KCB ukona korwa se skuru yo Burundi ye litongo ime gwadi gesimo mu bisa korwa se county ya Nyamira Nixon yora okolikiwa kwa barukiwa bonigo asingirira buna obaitambura roro kwenyorera obumanyi bw'ekikosi kya maboko muri kitupol kapukara aroboturwa sinjira yobwikira
ubunenjere yemo yogusiria obwebya sebinyoro obutumiki bwa malego yogotinde gati yo bosalya bonde nigabasaba bagenda takwa bagosemerwa kwa nikiminango ibwatani baramo n'ekikosi kya maboko nanene ekyo kigosirwa mune county ya Nyamira kubwataramo n'ebengi ya KCB bunenjere yemo yokugendera na kwenyorera obumanyi bw'ekikosi kiga
abasaya ne be myaka koru myaka 18 mpaka myaka 34 na ubanjire gukora interview ye batwaleke bande n'ekisemi kya primary ose secondary ndoche abana mbya bakire na banga ase boikerana okogani koito nande twabaganiria amaye
kurenganamo na Nixon Ayora oyule ndrina kurwa serikali ya county ya Nyamira nigo anene asokorikiwa kwa abasaye abali gati emyaka 15 na 3 gweke emyaka 34 ili kwibwatana muri kiskuru kiga cyo Burundi me county ya Nyamira nigahereire obwaita bororo bwabasaba kwenyorera nyegetambiko kurengana muno mwarimu munene w'eskuru yiga emanyakanita muna Litongo Vocational Training Center eyogotoka imiye wadiga ya Gesima ayadeko bagakokerana kubulia abibuli gosegeta abana babo kwibwatana muri kikosi kigere kwenyorera obumanyi obura bakonye asa matukagocha
chikosi ekiga chigosiria obusari esengencho abanafunzi bagochaga iga bababisi kero bagosoma na bagosoka isiko gali banyorire gasi abo bagokora bono buna bono na igwa bagambi Gesima iga bakulalamika ngaba ubuibi bwabira ubonge bwa matoke buna barete tabane skuru gaiga umugambi na chaga ntebinga sikuizi ubuibi nonye no gwechingo kombo pungwete abaiboli bari isiko gali mutarareta abana koranchereta abana basomigu yakogera ntumaete ubuiseru mbole chinyumba serikali kayanchire ko bakonya tikamureta abana basome
abaigane gati abahorokigwa ubaikiranira ase skuru yiga nane bagendete kwenyorera ubumanyi obuiga na kogenderera ko bakwegokeria na gusigeta abase bandi kwibwatana mu kikosi ekiga
ka saini ko nafanya kazi online from the skill I've gained in this school kasi sidhani kaningeweza achana na madawa za kulevya azisaidia kitu ni kuja hapa hivi gain skill hata kani kuunda magari unda gari upate pesa yako tu safi
hapa hivi tunapata knowledge and skill ambayo inatusaidia for me na nachukua ICT na beauty and mimi naona like nikitoka huko nje nitagain sana na itanisaidia for those who are idle me nawaomba tu akuje huko because like tunasupportiwa with our government Nyamira County KCB na tu sponsor na tulipia school fees.
Gingo ripoti getasini kyo wanjete kya Getembe kurigasi nseme chikache Litongo award ne ya Gesima ibungane abo gitutu wa Masabe County Nyamira inche ngoro ko Polycarp Okara
bia muno muri kito Polycarp Okara ha sorobotiro moncho muri kile atonyoro moti mokomo ke kurende seliboli litukura lero nigo tukurigereria henko yoboigo ya World Cup eyegendete hase enseli ya America kurengana nekimina na ogenko ya World Cup mogosori kyobekire chigori chinyinge na no yonseki kurengana nekimina na ogenko ya World Cup mogosori kyobekire chigori chinyinge na no yonseki sanga mona inche birengeri bya wetira ase namba yesimi asogotoma ujumbenke 0716 11 77 Getembe TV Facebook na boigo YouTube sanga mona inchi wetira ibirengeri bya ase namba yesimi ya 0716 11 77 Getembe TV Facebook na boigo YouTube utokwirana insome ibirengeri bya hase nchira yo wikira
Kesho ya kila mtu huanzia mahali fulani. Wakati mwingine inaanzia hapa. Pesa zinapoanza kusonga, ufanisi hufuata. Kuanzia biashara moja hadi nyingine, ndoto zikichukua mkondo wake katika juhudi za kila siku. Kupitia kizazi kinachoona fursa pale wengine wanapoona hatari, wanatengeza utajiri kwa njia ambazo hazijawahi kuonekana. Kupitia watu wanaoleta maendeleo, wakiweka misingi ya leo huku wakihakikisha usalama wa kesho. Kugeuza malengo kwa urithi wa kudumu na maono kwa ufanisi wa kesho. Haijalishi umbali wala muda, ufanisi daima hupata njia ya kurudi nyumbani. Ufanisi unapotembea huwainua wote waliopo njiani. Mwalimu National, prosperity for all, forever.
Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutokemeye mu cy'obusongo nkonya bale ebintu bunabono mbabwate esukari ku Rwaseke Company ao obusi bw'engano amavuta y'ikingeni ku Rwaseke Company ao amajyani ku Rwaseke Company lya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt egati ibintu binde binge bwigo nkonya bale kirangice company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati ku Rwaseke Company ya MRM ayo ari ayichi size ao nabego ni kirangi ao nkonya bale Black Sheets egati ibintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwato bukoreri obu yabunabono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwato bukoreri wa forklift asibego bukoreri bwa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro totigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolera ibintu biga asiri gurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Uhuru Complex eyirange namagacho asafaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers angena Credit Bank ime yomucho bosongo bakiresi migwetrase namba chabo 0111 161 500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.